Introducing AirBlade, an all-new compact CNC plasma cutting machine. A marvel of modern engineering that eclipses conventional plasma cutters with its superior performance. AirBlade's sleek and compact design makes it a perfect fit for any workspace. Neatly laid cables and hoses for longer life. Reliable lifter and height control systems ensure quality cuts. Machine uses proven plasma systems for reliable cutting. Ergonomically placed control system enhances operational efficiency and safety. Smooth and precise motion by roller guides and machined guide rails. AirBlade's positioning speed of 12 meters per minute reduces non-cutting time to the minimum. Laser pointer aids the operator in pinpointing plate edges during plate alignment. AirBlade pushes the boundaries of machine that effortlessly cuts material. AirBlade is powered with a robust plasma torch with a fine nozzle that delivers a powerful arc which can cut through metal with speed and precision. Cuts any shape or angle from straight lines to curves, holes to slots and many more. AirBlade uses air as process gas, thus it eliminates the need to buy or store gas cylinders, saving money and space. Navigate your projects with ease thanks to its user-friendly controller, which allows you to seamlessly load your program files, edit, adjust the cutting parameters and monitor the cutting process. Handle any metal fabrication project from industrial to artistic, from hobby to professional. Simple machine with easy installation provisions and connectors. Embrace the future with AirBlade. As we stand on the cusp of a new era in industrial innovation, the AirBlade emerges as a beacon of progress. Its unparalleled precision, advanced features, and user-friendly design make it an indispensable asset for any industry seeking to elevate its cutting capabilities. Let the AirBlade, an affordable CNC air plasma cutting machine, be the catalyst for your success. Mesa Cutting Systems, your partner of choice for all thermal cutting needs.